Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? Not too many really long words, so it might be tricky, because there's a few different things that most of these can mean. These feel like they are controls on like Spotify or some other music player. Can't see any others that could go in that group, so we'll go for those. Yep, music player buttons, okay. Certain, sure, fated, and presumably bound. It's bound to happen. They're all destined. Okay. Stir, garnish, season. Those are all things that you do when you're cooking. Pour and muddle could theoretically go in this group. I don't really think you muddle. You could definitely pour. But I'm a little bit worried about this because I don't know what links the others. Leap year? Coiled spring? Fountain water? I'm not sure the other 4 go together, but these 4 do look like they do, so I'm going to risk it. Oh, it's one away. Interesting. Stir, garnish, season. I mean, I was leaning towards muddle. I'm still not quite sure how muddle works. The others sort of look like you can change the first letter, so that you can make mountain. This you can make for or hour. This you can make boil or soil, loads of things. This you can change the first letter. And cuddle. I mean, I'm just not sure that's going to be the group. It's the sort of thing they sometimes have. Let's try these 4, because I was nearly putting muddle in before pour earlier. That's also one away. Oh dear, so it's either both muddle and pour, or it's neither of them. Do I need to put muddle and pour in and leave out one of the others? Look before you leap. Fountain water. I mean, maybe it's muddle, stir. Well, there's still. I really don't know. I'm close. I just can't work out exactly how to finish it off. And it's because I know what one of the groups is. It's to do with cooking. I just don't know what the other group is. I mean, if I tried these 3 and then any of the others, and I'm not one away, then I know for sure it's muddle and pour that both go into this group. But I still don't know which one I would leave out. Garnish is 1 letter away from varnish. I still don't quite know how that's going to help. Stir, garnish, season. I mean, let's try these 2 then. That's still 1 away. Okay, so I'm pretty convinced that I have to leave out either stir or season, and I have to put in garnish. So that means it has to be these 3, and either season or stir, and I just have to work out why. Well, season is 1 letter away from reason, so maybe that's relevant. What has reason got to do with mountain? Is there anything else that's 1 letter away from fountain? Fountain, counting? I'm not sure there is. So if it is just one letter changed, I don't know how we're going to get season and fountain to be together, so it must be something else. So, a water fountain, a water coil, a water leap? That just doesn't work. What other kinds of fountains are there? A chocolate fountain? But a chocolate leap is not a thing. Oh, we were so close! And now these last 2 groups have messed everything up. Oh dear. There's no other anagram of fountain, so it's not going to be anagrams. What else can it be? A fount of water? But the others, even if they contain words at the start or end of the word, then clearly coil and leap are just too short. I think it's got to be stir. It's to do with like a fountain of water or a leap. They all mean to jump, like a spring. I don't know. It's not right. So, oh, it was spring. I did say that. So it was garnish, muddle, pour, and stir. Oh, so I tried every combination of those four plus season, apart from leaving out season. I think I left out muddle, I left out pour, I left out garnish, and I left out stir on my last guess, didn't I? That was super unlucky because I knew it was those five, and I just kept leaving out the wrong one. Oh, and then because it is spring, okay, so a spring coil, a spring. Oh, it's just words that a spring might refer to. I thought it was things that can come before or after a spring. The word spring. But yeah, to leap is to spring, and obviously spring is a season. I was really clearly not thinking of season in that context, was I? That's where I went wrong. I think once I started to say spring, I really should have worked that out. I was a little bit careless at the end. But, I mean, it does mean it's a failure. But we were super close. I really should have succeeded there. That is, yeah, not my best connections ever. Oh dear. Let me know if you worked out what was going on there. Well done if you did. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.